Hi there, this is an unboxing of the Huawei p20. Obviously comes with a nice box, so let's open it up. And there we have it, the phone. Just you don't want to do that. Okay. It's got stickers on the front and the back. It looks like you get this in the box, so you get a charger, and a Huawei one, it looks like a new kind of USB cable, and that looks like a headphone jack adapter, and some headphones with the new kind of end. It looks like you get in the box as well a SIM key. You get a phone case. That's quite groovy. So you get a phone case, a quick start guide, a warranty card, and is there anything else in there? No, that looks like it is everything. So that's absolutely everything in the box, I think. Let me just check. Yeah, so there we go. That is everything that you want. Now I'm going to go to putting it together.